if people are trying to figure this stuff all out, that's the neutral safety switch. So you can only start the engine if there's not too much throttle. So if this is in full throttle now, full advance, and so if this thing's in this position when you try and start up, the switch is not allowing ground connection to the solenoid, so that's how it disengages the engine. So you got to monkey around with this switch to get it just in the right position with these two screws. And this stuff, all this linkage here, so in the open position, this thing should actually be just touching, but that's about the best I could get it without to get full throttle. But anyways, ideally this should just be resting on this just before, I may have to adjust this actually a little bit, just before you give it some throttle. And then this thing should allow it to open up all the way, so that pin, can't really see it very well, but there's this pin right here. You should be able to get a piece of paper between that pin and the surface of the carb for maximum throttle. You don't want it any more than that, otherwise it'll put strain on the the butterfly valve shaft there. And then I noticed that in the neutral position, that cam follower is right below, or right in between the lower and upper mark. So that should get you to get the thing set up anyway. This is your slow idle adjustment. It just allows a certain amount of retard on here. So if you let it move it so it goes that way, it slows down.